Hey guys, welcome back to another high quality video. And today I am going to be making a video about monkeys. So I asked what my video should be about, and my friend Erica Costell said to make the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go on Roblox and see if there's a monkey simulator. I'm really confused. Oh, not players. They have gorilla simulator. Whatever, we're in a monkey simulator. This will be interesting. I don't think there's any. There's probably gonna be nothing there, and everything's just gonna be so disappointing. Erica Costell, she's asking me to make a video about monkeys. The Unigirl, Jay. Oh, this is actually not disappointing. Actually, yes it is, but I don't care. There's some copyright music. Bye. Okay, so welcome to Monkey Simulator. Okay, this is nice. No, it's not. So, we have we have a secret. This is nice. What is this? We have a secret. It literally just says secret on the floor. I don't know what this is. Oh, there's a volcano. Look at all these trees. This will make Erica Costell really happy. She's probably gonna. This is your new home. So there's some models here that were stolen for the monkeys, especially Erica Costell. We have a drum and two What happened? What the heck? What? Bananas! Bananas! I'm really confuzzled. Okay, so that was one of our presents. The other present I really want, it's a gift for Christmas. This one makes me turn upside down, and when I let go of it, oh wait, my banana's gone. This one's a Christmas gift. This one makes me turn upside down, and when I let go of it, it used to give me a banana. What if I touch the drum? Nothing happens. Okay. So then I did fix it up a little bit. I'm unlocking. What else? There's an obby. Oh my gosh. Yeah! Someone please edit my videos for me because I don't know how to edit anything. Well, anyways. I guess this is really crappy obby. Oh my god. How do you expect monkeys to do that? I'm also sick. Okay, welcome to Monkey Simulator. There's another thing. I want to go jump inside the volcano and then we'll end this video because this is already 3 minutes and I like to keep my videos short. Oh my god, you can just cheat this obby. You don't even have to go there, you can just go. Okay, anyway, that's fine. I'm gonna jump in the volcano because I'm really cool. Whee! 3, 2, 1. What the heck? What the? There's actual lava! Yay! I'm sorry, my voice is really weird. There's a pool for the monkeys to have a bath. Let's check it out. Yes! You can actually go swimming. Okay, time to jump off the cliff. Bye, guys!